There was a Labour Party candidate in Bayelsa. We didn't see the outcome. There was a Labour Party candidate in Anambra. He didn't win the election. There were Labour Party candidates all over the place. Did they produce a governor? The one in Abia won the election on his own merit because previously he won the election but he was denied. So what is this Peter Obi effect? I think we have gone beyond that. Edo youth will be looking at the individual that will be standing in election. Who are the people who have stood for them? Are you going to choose a candidate who cannot run a home? Candidates that don't have family that they can call their own family? They can't manage relationships at home and they want to manage the entire state? Does it not look contradictory? We're going to put the issues on the table when we emerge as candidates. And if I come as candidate, I will also interrogate, the capacity of the other candidates, the PDP and the Labour, if you want to say that. But Labour has not gotten a foothold in Edo State. And so whoever emerges a Labour Party candidate, we will put them in their own bracket. We will analyze them. We'll see what they can offer. First of all, we'll analyze them to look at the kind of person they are in terms of temperament, in terms of emotional intelligence, in terms of ability to also build relationships across board. You have to run a home, and people have to showcase their family profile. I will showcase my wife and the kind of home I've run in the last 21 years I've been married. And so, because when you are unable to run a home, your own home, and you now come and say you want to become governor of the state because you think you have made noise somewhere else, we will not allow it. Although people are very enlightened, they are very brilliant, they are very conscious of their political environment, and they know me that I don't beg issues. I speak truth to power. Even as a member of APC in Oshiomole's administration, I told him pointedly that Governor Obaseki was not the best material that could have emerged. And I've been proven right, even by way of character and even by way of delivery. Because you see the state, go around the state, you will always see a few things. And we are getting so much money. So there's no cause for alarm for now.
But you know that the Labour Party scored very high scores during the presidential election in Edo State.
In Edo South.
Yes.
Yeah, in Edo South. The South alone does not make the state.
And
now they will be seeing a young, vibrant, Edo citizen who is called KASSIM Afegbua, who can speak to the issues that they are concerned about. I interact with a lot of youth groups, civil society organizations and all of that. Nobody can tell you this is what KASSIM has done wrongly or badly. I keep asking people, meet anybody and let the person speak out that this is what KASSIM Afegbua has done to him. I know how to cultivate relationships, sustain them across board. They know me for that. And so I'm going to be speaking to those same youths. I'm going to also be taking up ideas that will resonate in their minds and see reasons why they must support me. Because the bottom line is, how accessible is a candidate that will be standing for election? When I become governor, it will still be saying KASSIM Afegbua. I won't be elusive. I'm always accessible to the youths. They know me. I connect with them. And so if I become governor, it will be like government for the youth, by the youth, and of the youths.
Wow. There is this rumor that the deputy governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu, who is from the PDP, has been sponsored by members of your party, the APC, for the 2024 governorship election. What do you have to say about this?
I think that will amount to a decent insult. Because are you saying that the APC as it is presently constituted does not have quality minds that can stand its own, and it is a PDP deputy governor that is quarrelsome with his principal that will now be sponsored as a candidate? And that such reasons are located within the realm of gossip.